Welcome to the meditation channel. Let's begin. I want you to close your eyes, follow your breath, and just listen to my voice. Just taking a moment right now to do your best to just let go, relax, invite your body to be still and present, inviting your breath to help you let go just a little more. Invite your mind to surrender, letting go of any expectations, any thoughts, and to just be here with yourself, right here, right now. Gently, slowly letting go more and more. Letting go of the physical world. And how present can you be with your energy, with your emotions, with you? Today we're going to cleanse your body, your energy, from anything that may be holding you back, from any lower frequencies, maybe from something that has been there for quite some time and has been holding you back from achieving or believing in yourself. Today, we're just going to shed that weight, shed that negativity, shed those energies, and allow ourselves to be open and receptive to love, to joy, and to opportunities. And so today we invite the higher frequency of the healing from the angels and the guides that are here for our highest and best interest, to allow us to completely manifest and align with our highest and purest potential. And so we invite these angels and these guides to shine their light upon us today, to help us discover the aspects, the shadows, the fears, the doubts, and help us release them, transform them, transmute them, allowing us to shed the energies, clearing the way, clearing our hearts, our minds, and our spirits. And so suddenly around you, beautiful orbs of white light and gold light surround you. These are the angels and your guides, making themselves present and available for you now. And now I want you to focus on your body, trusting that you know exactly where these energies lie, knowing exactly what to do, giving yourself full permission now. And so, trusting your intuition, I want you now to find areas of your body where you believe these negative energies and blocks exist. And when you find them, visualize dark balls of energy form around that part of your body, as if they are finally revealing themselves to you. I now give the angels and the guides full permission to heal, repair, restore, and clear these energies from my body. I give you now full permission to help me release them, so that I no longer am a match to them, so that I no longer hold on to them, and so that I may be finally free from them. And gently and slowly those orbs begin to enter your body, moving within and through you, gently removing, cleansing, and clearing those dark energies. And as this happens, you feel lighter, clearer, healed, and more open. Just sitting here now, trusting the process, enjoying the process, and surrendering to this process. And once the healing is complete, all of the orbs return outwards, floating around you once again. And you feel clearer and more open than ever. Now that you have made space and shifted your energy, it's time to take a moment of gratitude, thanking your angels and your guides for their love, for their healing, and for their blessings. Now that I am healed, Now that I am open and receptive to receiving love, joy, and abundance, I give myself permission to say yes to love, to joy, and to abundance. I open my heart, universe, to your divine love. I open my mind to your guidance, to your inspiration and ideas. And I open myself up completely to your blessings now. And going back to your breath now, feeling your lungs expand and contract. Slowly now expanding your awareness back to the room, back, gently returning. Maybe you can begin to wiggle your toes and your fingers, just returning back to your body, amplifying your outer world. Take your time to return, and when it feels right, come back and open your eyes.